This is the egg holder for fridge automatic stable rolling egg dispenser with handle and silicone pad for refrigerator. As you can see, there's the silicone pad at the front. This is a large capacity egg organizer and also has a lid. This is the 2-tier holder, which holds between 36 to 42 eggs. Product dimensions are 12 inches in length, 9 inches in width, and 5.4 inches in height. This is hand wash only. It is not dishwasher safe. It's made of a premium clear tray material, thick and solid material. Lets you easily check egg levels for timely refills. You can clean it with warm water and soap.